Oops. Just a little friendly tip for you guys. If you're ever out of your home for an extended amount of time and you come home and you notice some smells or some strange sounds in your pipes, run the water first. Fill those traps and those sounds will go away. I just had a call here in Glen, New Hampshire, and they were noticing some gurgling and loud draining sounds inside their whirlpool tub in their master bedroom. And come to find out, the trap had run dry. They had gone away to Europe for a week and a half or something like that, and it gave things time to dry down. So if you notice something like that, run the water first, give it a shot. And another thing too is if you're gone away for 2 weeks or so, the traps can really dry out, and the more hot and humid it is, the faster they can dry out, and your stuff could dry out. So run the water if you're noticing any smells or sounds. Hopefully that's a tip, and it can keep you guys from incurring some kind of a charge for something that is simple that you can do just by coming home and just running some water in all your plumbing fixtures and making sure that those traps are full. We keep New Hampshire flowing. Have a wonderful summer.